All right, we're on an adventure. Today we are at Hanging Rock State Park and we're gonna try to see a waterfall. Really hope we've never been here before, so I hope we're gonna find one. Abram, you excited to see a waterfall? Yeah, he's super excited.
Don't fall.
This is actually really cool, buddy. I like it like this. Very cool, buddy. That is super cool. You look awesome. Oh, wow. Is it
It won't recognize my face with these stupid glasses. That's what the problem is.
This is pretty. It is a little chair. Hold on, Bubba. That's very cool. All right, so the first hike we came to is 4/10 of a mile out here. Some big steps, but not bad. And this is the waterfall. That's really cute, really pretty.
White down here at the end. This is all mud.
Maybe not like the biggest, most beautiful waterfall in North Carolina, but it is really pretty. And if you're like close on time and you just want something quick, this is really, really nice. So the boys have loved climbing so far. Now we're gonna go to Window Falls, which is just another 2/10 of a mile on the same trail, and we'll check that out. All right, so here's a little view where we can see Window Falls, but then we've got to go all the way down like this little walkway to get down there to see the next spot. But that's a cute little waterfall. Apparently we're going further down. Oh, hey! There's Jamie.
Hi, Jamie.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being like super easy, a 3-year-old could do it on their own, and a 10 being strenuous for me, I would say, ooh, ice! I got distracted easily. Abram, it's ice!
I'm trying to break it.
Well, it's already broken.
No, I'm looking at ice.
Anyways, I think some of these steps are a little difficult. Abram's doing just fine. He's 5, but I might not, you know, say it was convenient for like 60 plus. So anyways, we're gonna try all 3 of these. How far do we go? Oh my goodness, icicles! That's so cool. It's like we're in sweatshirts. Abram, do you see the icicles?
That's the waterfall.
I don't know the... Okay. Whoa! Marcus, you went all the way through. Super cool, bud. Abram. Abram, oh, there you are. All right. That is a big and pretty waterfall. Do you like it, Abram? It's like you're surfing. You look awesome, buddy.
That's a beautiful way to surf there. Like surfing on the beautiful wave.
Yeah.
And surfing on the beautiful wave. And surfing on the beautiful wave.
All right, let's go back up.